What's really good, fam? It is your boy David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today, got another banger video for you guys, all right? Today, we're gonna be testing the top speed of my 72 volt, 3000 watt electric XP. If you guys haven't watched the video of me slapping the kit on there, I will leave it at the end of this video. Go ahead and check it out. But yeah, a lot of people are wondering how fast is the joint now that you upgraded it. And we're gonna find out today. Let's go on a ride with your boy. Hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because your boy got bangers on the way, all right? Let's go ahead and take it to the canal where we always take it for the top speed runs. And we'll do a throttle only top speed. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to my channel, this is the second iteration of Leticia. That's what I call my bike, Leticia. The first time that we upgraded its power was just a controller upgrade where we just got a beefed up controller. It was a 35 amp controller. And we were able to hook it up to the existing motor on the Electric XP. And we were able to put out 1500 watts out of this bike. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I will leave it in the description as well. I compared that to a just a stock Electric XP, and man, it was a huge difference. This one, on the other hand, feels like a completely different bike. I'm not gonna even lie. Like, it has a lot of torque, but because of the 72 volt battery, it's like it's constantly giving it more and more power. Like, it never lets up off of the power. So you guys are gonna see it. I'm currently riding slow because I'm trying to save the battery's capacity, because if you guys don't know, as you drain your battery, then your top speed is actually going to go down. So right now I think we're currently above 72 volts, which is perfect because we're gonna get like the actual true top speed of this bike. But yeah, let's continue. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous, a little scared, because this joint is fast. All right, your boy has a full face helmet on today. We're not taking no chances. I don't have any knee pads or elbow pads, but I think we should be straight. We're not gonna be doing any types of turns or whatever as we make this turn. But yeah, I'm excited. All right, so today we're gonna do the throttle only top speed test. We'll also do the acceleration test, which is a 0 to 20 as well as a 0 to 30. Shout out to my boy Randy Rides. He did a what is it, an acceleration test for the Electric XP, but he added that 1000 watt front hub motor. So if you guys are interested in seeing how quick that one is, check out Randy Rides. But yeah, you guys can compare it to that. And if you guys own a stock Electric XP, if you guys want to do like a 0 to 20, 0 to 30, well, you guys can't hit 30, but 0 to 28, feel free to do it and then compare your results with my bike. We're not going to be doing a top speed on pedal assist because I actually don't have pedal assist on this bike. Since it is like 3000 watts, it's kind of pointless to me. Like, I won't really be pedaling the bike as far as like using pedal assist. Like, if I do need to pedal, like I could do it now perfectly fine with no power. It's not that hard. Like, if I actually needed like some help up a hill or something, I'll just, like, you know, feather the throttle a little bit and then pedal as I go. But like, who's really trying to pedal that fast? You know what I'm saying? I feel like at that point I would need to upgrade my my gearing or something, because my legs will be moving so fast trying to keep up with this freaking motor. Like, it would be kind of pointless. So no pedal assist today. If you guys want to see pedal assist, I mean, I can add it because it did come with the kit, but to be honest, I'm not really interested in it. Here it is, guys. This is the perfect flat, straight path. We're gonna test the top speed. Before we do, let me get my phone out because it don't count if it ain't GPS verified, okay? I highly advise not to do this on pathways like these because it's actually illegal and people get very annoyed. But it's pretty empty right now, so we're gonna do it. But yeah, if anybody is interested in doing these types of mods, just don't ride crazy. I hear that a lot in the comments where, you know, us guys that are into like the speed are ruining it for like the regular e-bikers. Just a word of caution, don't ride crazy, don't ruin it for all the regular people that just want to, you know, follow the rules. let's get into the joint. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, so I saw 41 on the screen on the bike. We'll go ahead and compare that to the phone, but yeah, it's looking like close to 40 miles per hour, which is more than enough speed, guys. Realistically, I won't even be hitting 40 like that. I just wanted to be able to have the power when needed, you know what I'm saying, going up hills, or if I just want to take off real quick. But as far as the top speed, I won't be doing 40. But there it is, 40 miles per hour on a freaking bike. That's insane. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if so, hit the like button one time for your boy. And yeah, stay tuned for more bangers like this. And until the next video, deuces like that. Ah!